12th December 2020 marks the 5th anniversary of the Paris Climate Agreement signed by 197 countries in the world. The Paris Agreement's aim is to keep the global temperatures well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, meaning the current average global temperature to not increase more than 2 degrees Celsius as compared to the average global temperature pre-industrialization period. But 2 डिग्री सेल्सियस के इंक्रीज से क्या फर्क पड़ता है? ये नंबर लग छोटा रहा है, लेकिन इसके एक्सट्रीम इफेक्ट्स होंगे. Earthquakes, forest fires, floods will be very frequent. A rise in sea levels due to melting of polar caps will make coastal cities inhabitable. The agriculture sector will be hit drastically due to extreme temperatures. Human health, livelihood, food, water, everything will be affected. All this might cost the world minimum $2 billion per day in economic losses. Currently, the global temperature has already reached 1.1 degrees Celsius and is expected to reach 2.7 degrees Celsius in the future. The Climate Action Tracker, tracking the policies and actions taken by the countries around the world, shows that 90% of the countries are failing. 2020 was the year when countries were supposed to come together and make revised targets, but only a very few countries have done so, and the others have stuck with their insufficient targets. China comprises of 30% of all total emissions. USA is a 15% contributor, India a 7% contributor, and the EU a 10% contributor makes 70% of all total emissions around the world. And all of these countries are failing. Well, yes, 50 plus countries have committed to 100% clean energy. 20 plus countries have committed to 100% emission-free transport. China targets to lower carbon intensity by 65% by 2030. The EU targets to cut its carbon emissions by 40% by 2030. Developing countries like India are finding cleaner, more efficient ways to produce energy. But what is key to success is the willingness of the government to make good policies, but more so, the willingness of the people to follow them. It is important for the people to set their priorities right and elect environmentally aware leaders. Ask yourselves this question. Would you want to live in a world where most places are inhabitable, there's no food security, no biodiversity, increasing diseases, shorter lifespans? बस आंखें खोलने की देर है. To save the world from dying, we humans need to do something that we are very good at changing the world.